With Navigator, you can also create a merchandising set. Merchandising sets are designed to help you understand what amenities travelers might be looking for, or which listings are booking well seasonally. In this case, we're looking at data for the next 90 days in the Napa area. What I want to focus on first is going to amenities. I'm going to view all amenities, and what I want to understand are how are the best performing pools in the Napa area being merchandised. Next, I'm going to go find the properties with the highest nightly revenue. Click on the graph to select the highest performing properties in the next 90 days. I can already see that pools in this area are performing well. Now, lastly, let's also go look at the average rating. I want to find the highest performing pools from a review count and a revenue perspective, so I quickly select this as well. At this point, I now have 43 listings in my set. I could go evaluate these, or I'm going to add all these to my set as well. What you might have noticed is that we make it easy for you to evaluate these properties. I'm going to click through to see how these properties are being merchandised. In this case, I can see that this pool is clearly displayed as the first image for the customer. This would be an example of highly effective merchandising to attract guests. In today's travel landscape, we need to remember that travelers often look for the perfect home first before selecting a location. Therefore, understanding how the best performing properties are merchandising can help you perfect your business. Ready to save? Let's call this Pools Near Napa. Save this as a merchandising set, click Create Set, and you're on your way. Now your team can come back to review these properties and understand what they're doing from a merchandising perspective at any time.